This is the nation's coolest. KOOL97FM.
This is Entertainment 97. Entertainment 97. Welcome to Entertainment 97. For the love of music, information, reviews, the movies, and the party scene. Entertainment 97.
Coming up, local news highlights, entertainment flashback in just 60 seconds, and check this out. Good afternoon, I'm Heather Cummings-Williams, and this is Entertainment 97. In local entertainment news, once again, Jamaicans are on the leading teams of musical victory. This time around, Grammy-winning Jamaican dancehall artists Shaggy and Bounty Killer are both included in Billboard Magazine's list of 100 greatest songs of 2001. Shaggy's platinum-selling, chart-topping, spectacular hit It Wasn't Me, featuring Rick Rock, was voted the 11th greatest song of that year. Meanwhile, Bounty Killer's Grammy-winning collaboration with No Doubt, Hey Babe, came in hot at number 31. The popular Jamaican artists are in among the list of featured songs from Alicia Keys, Jay-Z, Destiny's Child, Usher and Missy Elliott, who copped the number one spot with her hit track Get Your Freak On. In international entertainment news, popular television network PBS Kids released an episode highlighting autism for Autism Awareness Month. In the recent episode, a new child is introduced who is a little different from the rest on the animated TV show Xavier Riddle and the Secret Museum. The autistic character Ben is sensitive to loud noises, and he likes to do things his way, which are common symptoms of children on the autistic spectrum. Ben's character helps teach the show's regular cast about acceptance of autism and other people who may not be like everyone else. The 11-minute episode was orchestrated by Temple Grandin, who is a trailblazing spokesperson for people with autism. This week's entertainment flashback in 60 seconds continues to pay tribute to the life and work of Sly Dunbar and Robbie Shakespeare, also known as Sly and Robbie. Sly was the drummer and Robbie handled the bass to form one of the best dub unions known to man. Sly, whose given name is Lowell Charles Dunbar, received the stage moniker due to his love for Sly Stone, who was leader of the Family Stone group that was responsible for bringing hard funk music to the mainstream. Sly began his musical journey in the late 60s, starting out by playing in studio bands and growing from there. Robbie Shakespeare has played on a very tall list of albums, which also included producing for reggae artists Jimmy Cliff, Peter Tosh, U-Roy, Gregory Isaacs, Bunny Wailer, and others. The two, Sly and Robbie, linked up in 1975, despite already making a name for themselves on the Jamaican scene. That year, the union of both legends was brought to fruition due to the influence of iconic producer Joja Hookem, and it was a match made in musical bliss. Sly and Robbie's first work together that same year was on Jimmy Cliff's Follow My Mind. This collaboration endorsed even more exposure for the group as their demand grew extensively in the industry. And that's your quick bite for this week. Catch us again same time, same place for a continuation of this epic entertainment flashback in 60 seconds. Go check out Jamaican singing sensation Naomi Cowan's latest single titled Energy. The song is produced by internationally acclaimed producer Izy Beats, who is also known for producing Koffee's banger breakthrough single Toast and Lila Ike's popular I Spy. Energy has an upbeat R&B reggae flavor, which reminds us to stop dimming one's light for others and also drives home the importance of protecting your peace. The recent single follows Naomi's previously released feel-good record titled Climbing. KOOL97FM urges you to continue following COVID-19 rules put in place just for your safety. And that's it for Entertainment 97. I'm Heather Cummings-Williams. Thanks to technical producer Edson Johnson and producer Abigail Wilson. If you missed it, catch it anytime on KOOL97FM.com and click on the Kool TV tile. Join us again next Friday inside Kool Rhythms for more Entertainment 97.
This is the nation's coolest. Cool 97 FM.
KOOL97FM.